Students, now we are going to learn our next chapter, that is heat. Heat means the exact temperature of our body or exact temperature of anything or any object, that is your heat. As we have learned in chapter 3 about the clothes, that cotton clothes and the woolen clothes. Cotton clothes that basically we get from the plant fiber which we worn in summer. That means the cloth which we are getting from the plant fiber and which we are wearing at the time of summer, that is our cotton clothes. And the woolen clothes, that is animal, that we get from animal fiber and we are wearing it in the winter season. Now according to our body temperature, according to our weather temperature or our surrounding temperature, we are wearing different types of clothes. That for example, if during the winter times our body is not allow us to wear only and only cotton clothes, we have to wear some woolen clothes also to protect us from the coldness. And during the summer time we are only able to wear the cotton clothes, and our body doesn't exist the heat does not allow to get the heatness of the woolen clothes during the summer time. Now in this chapter we are going to learn that what is hot and cold, the exact measurement of a thing, whether it is a hot or a cold. If something is hot or something is cold, how we are going to know about that the particular object is hot or cold? uh, for example, if we are taking a glass of water, if we want to know whether the glass of water is hot or cold, so directly we are thinking let's drink it, then we are able to get the answer whether it is hot or cold. But some reasons are also there, some other methods are also there to know how whether the object is hot or cold. First one is sense of touch. By touching that particular object, we are able to know the hotness or coldness of a particular object. Second one is second example is, if we are taking 2 glass of water, then we are also able, by sense of touching, we are able to know, we are able to tell whether one glass is more hotter than the other one or cooler than the other one. Which glass is more hotter, which glass is more cooler, we are colder, we are able to tell it through the sense of touch. A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. To know if we are knowing the object is having the coldness or the hotness, we are able to know it through the temperature. That means, and to know the exact reliable measure of hotness or coldness of an object, that is known as temperature. And we are able to measure the temperature of anything with the help of thermometer. In our house also or in the hospital also, thermometer is available for checking the temperature of a particular object, temperature of a human body. So thermometer help us to know the exact temperature. But in the sense of any object, we are able to tell the exact reliable temperature of a object by touching it. By touching it we are able to tell the temperature of an particular object. So a reliable measure of the hotness of an object, that means how the object is hot or the cold, when we get a reliable measure, then that is known as temperature.